the label is reflection. So, sir, we can see three objects here of three different cylinder sizes. So we can see here, first we can see a marble, stars. Here we can see a small triangle. And here we can see a teardrop.
So now, the science model, different science model, which has been we have.
What is this application? See, every other scientific equipment, experiment, you should also see what is the application. What can be the application? Then you will slowly get, science will turn into technology. Application of science is technology. So try to find out what will be the application. Very interesting concept, but how it is applied, where it will be used.
Thank you, sir.
After spreading it, I will keep some pressure using this pump. And when the pressure increases, the air can hold alcohol vapor. And after that, I will just open this. This is how I will just open. Any questions?
Again, application. So, क्या application में use कर? Just generally, you should be at least knowing when you are processing any. And one more thing, small observation: whenever you are dealing with any chemical, better have a glove. Gloves होना है better. because science experiment में जब better to have a glove on gloves ये भी mask भी होता है कभी-कभी. So since you are demonstrating, you can generally. It's a good practice. That is fine. But anyway, when you are dealing with some chemical or something, better have a glove and mask.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. My name is Mark from class 12, and I'm going to demonstrate passing a needle through a form the bottle.
Okay. Very good. Wow, very nice. And it is now even holding that pressure also. Now it will not leak. Right. Very nice. Thank you.
If we blow the balloon from the one, it will be expand. But if we blow from this straw, it will not expand. Because there is no way from here out. That's why. But if we suck air from balloon, it will be expanded. Because all air comes from this and no pressure can be inside and high pressure comes from this straw. So if we want to make this real image or if we want to correct this image, we have to put this living mirror in a special angle. So it will, like as we can see, it only has two axes, x-axis and y-axis. But if we see this image in this living mirror, we can see this correct image. So this phenomena is known as anamorphism.
Even if you move here or there, it will distort.
Yeah.
Right.
So yeah, it should be in a special angle.
Specific angle and place.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Right angle pieces you can make this diagram. So you can write. So this will not blow every time this. So whereas this balloon is blowing and inflating properly inside, so basically it's an hole. So the air pressure escapes from it. So it's solid.
Here since it is completely pressurized, so it's not. Just the description of air pressure.
Thanks.
Sir, is this full now?
Full.
Sir, then we will insert this label one by one. Sir, you can also try.
It's not coming out. But one by one करना पड़ेगा.
No, we can do one, two.
बल्क का थोड़ा.
Sir, the water one will this layer is slightly dome shape. The water molecules are strongly attracted to each other.
So it is not actually overflowing. It is keep because of that. It is keep.
Over a point of time.
But at some point when it crosses the threshold, it will come out.
So yeah, but we can send more.
You do it. Very nice. Great.
So, as you can see, in front of us there is an electronic device and it's called a flash switch. And whenever we produce a sharp sound, it acts like a switch. So it is right. So you can touch it.
Switch on and off. It's sensing that up.
Sir, whenever we create an high frequency sound, and there is a sensor inside this device, and the sensor captures the sound and turns it into an electronic signal. And the signal is processed by an electronic chip circuit inside it. And then the circuit commands it to on and off.
So we can use it in the room, no? Under jacket, just.
And I'm going to show you the science experiment based on the molecular one. The molecular one. And if we inverted this, the water will hydrogen oxygen in water from water here we try to water water
So it's the application. Yeah, what will be the application? So you know, there are water bottles for kids now available. So if they unknowingly if they do like this, it won't ulta karna hai. So slightly side करने में थोड़ा सा लीक होता था, but otherwise ऐसा करने में लीक होता है. हाँ. But if you go बस ऐसा क्या नहीं it's like it's simple thing.
and candle. Now we will place this on top of the candle. After some time, the candle started to dim.
Because oxygen is getting reduced.
Then when it fully
So then what is the concept? Why it is rising inside?
so because inside we for combustion we need oxygen. When it is losing oxygen, then it creates a vacuum inside it, and to maintain the pressure, high pressure oxygen is high pressure inside.
So it is pushing. So जितना ये combustion में use हुआ उतना से अंदर जा रहा है. Which one is longer? Wood, longer. दिखने में this is longer. Yes. Yeah, equal. Equal in length. So because of the place it is off. Yeah. And here, this one is like here.
So now, this is happened because we see the inner radius of the arm and outer radius of arm. We compared it, so it's looking bigger. But both are of same size.
Very nice.
An angle of 180 degrees. So how many meters of formula?
This is one single link.
Yes. And if I swap in the angle to 120 degrees,
Okay.
so how many?
Right. Two.
And
Again, if I open it on 90 degrees.
4, 3, and now it's multiple reflection. Now multiple 4, multiple increase.
It's due to multiple
Reflection.
it's taken out. I concentrate of salt and this contains low concentration of salt and this is pure water. And as we know, pure water is in the field.
With higher than this whole.
So these are the
Now how you will insert this in the water? Reflection.
So these are going to use this acts as a convex lens, and when a image from form of convex lens is always direct. So this image is formed. So today this is the application of side mode. So first I'm gonna take a view tube, then I'm gonna fill it with water. Now I have water. Yes, until they are getting different, they will be different. Yes, sir. As you can see right now, they are equal. So this is because teachers always try to make pressure difference equal. So when here was high pressure water and here was low pressure of water.
Once the water moves down, it is pushing from here.
Yes, sir. So that is equal. I just created a path for the water to flow it here, so they fit. So, thank you, sir. Maybe 155 grams in the air. So when we drop in the water, the weight of the object is reduced. These real weights. So basically 25. What should demonstrate? Buoyant force, upthrust force.
पानी निकाल्ने गर्छु
Louder.
the transfer of momentum. So here are three balls with equal mass and equal size. So when we displace this ball, it gains on mass and velocity, and when we release this ball, it's transferred mass and velocity to this from this ball to this ball. And when we release this ball,
When I rotate the mirror, you are taking a certain degree of angle to the mirror. When I rotate the mirror, so your face studies because of your using a certain degree of angle, the perpendicular, the light moves between them and form your reflecting image. Because when you see the mirror, certain degree of angle, when I rotate, you see the new angle. And
Image is rotating.